Got that sloths thing guy on the mailbox. Got these a bear, a reindeer, and a bird. Let's go over here. Look at that owl. Got more owls up there. Oh, there's Snoopy. Yep, the Snoopy animated thing. His arm moves to make it like he's ringing the bell. Snoopy in Woodstock, the puppy dogs, the squirrels. Snoopy in Woodstock again. Snoopy in Woodstock. Skiing. The Peanuts characters. Got the airplane here, and Charlie Brown is up there. Woodstock. Got the mommy and the daddy pig, a flying pig, Chris Santa pig. Dancing pig, ballet pig, and these Mickey Minnie figures. Look at that Christmas tree. Minnie coming down the chimney, and Mickey and Minnie building a snowman. Oh, they got a cat over here. Or is this another one of those dogs? Got this elf. Look, they're glowing. They got the lights on. Got that peacock. Another peacock. The gingerbread house. See Olaf. It's actually the big version of Olaf. Santa Claus. Wooden Santa sitting on the bench wearing a mask. Garfield riding on Odie. And another Garfield down there. And a ghost behind him. Another one of those dogs.
Right there. That one right there. The one with the mask.
Got this dog.
See the Garfield guy?
Yeah, I see Garfield. Look at that. There's Santa Claus. Got a dog moving from the stocking. Goes back and forth. That's how it does. There's Garfield again. There's Garfield. Got the Santas back there. Got Garfield. Look at that nice tree. Hey, baby. Over here, Santa stop here. Santa stop here. Lighted prop. Another star. Marion Bright sign all the way at the back. Oh, here's that fishy, crazy music. Rudolph up there. With all the other reindeers. Penguin making a Christmas tree. Snowmans. Santa Claus, a big Christmas tree. The birdies, penguins, polar bears. Dog carrying that mailbox. Very nice. I love the Marion Bright sign. Look at that dog move over there. Dog on the... There's Olaf. Look at that big Olaf. This one. I have an Olaf. Here's the other side. Got this side. Nice lights. There's Gilligan again. Got the candy canes. Candy cane lights. Cookie Monster and Big Bird at the background. And a Santa holding the Merry Christmas sign. There's some dinosaur thing missing. There's some dinosaurs.
And why don't we go up to the front?
Gingerbreads. Huh? Okay.
Watch out for it.
Christmas. The snowman Christmas tree. That's very nice. Look at, there's my dog. There's the dog coming out. Ah!
Hey, watch out for other people that are taking pictures too.
I'm trying to
Okay?
make a video. I'm trying to make a video. Can you
Well,
please?
you don't need to be in their shot too.
Well, anyways, look at that dog over there. Oh god, I need to get him to focus. Yeah, this dog over there, rocking back and forth in that tree. Got the fence decorated with lights. Santa, stop here. Looks like Santa needs to. Excuse me. Santa, stop here. Olaf sculpture. Big Olaf. Dogs. R2-D2. Stormtrooper. Look at that dog on the ground. Olaf at the background again. No, a very big Olaf. Mickey Mouse, Goofy, Stocking, Disney's Babe Yoda, Tree-P-P-T-O, all the Star Wars characters. Look at that mailbox over there. Ding. Look at that mailbox. A pony and horse at the background. Big Bird. There's Big Bird. The crows. Bear playing the drum. Snowman holding a cane circle. The merry-go-round. Of course, we forget about the merry-go-round. There's always the popular things. Excuse me. Rudolph on the North Pole sign says North Pole. Animated singing tree, Statue of Liberty, Dingo, Elf on the Shelf, cars, the horse, the drummers, the elephant, the ducks, the deers, and the bunny rabbits. And the little swimming pool. Flamingo. Flag over there. Fake flag. Santa Claus. Santa's watching because penguins. One penguin back there taking off his hat. Toucan. Blow-mo drummers. That one right there is a vintage one. Got the Bumbles, the seal, and the final thing to show up is the Christmas light and the penguins on the seesaw. Thank you for watching. So that was beautiful. If you guys enjoyed this, please subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye bye. See you later.